LHJRY Bluetooth headphones True Wireless Earbuds 60H playback are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best TAGRY Bluetooth from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. True wireless earbuds have matured tremendously since their debut. The category, once rife with subpar picks, is now teeming with premium options from audio stalwarts like Sony and Bose. Heck, we're even seeing affordable active noise-canceling options flood the market too. As a quickly evolving category, wireless earbuds blur the line between audio devices and smart wearable technology. Our selection of the best wireless earbuds covers everything from ANC to workout picks. And if this list is too rich for your blood, check out our picks for the best wireless earbuds under $100. You operate the Galaxy Buds 2 via a touch panel on each earbud. As with all earbuds in the Samsung Galaxy Buds line, the Galaxy Buds 2 touch panels are very sensitive. We often experience command misfires, which isn't the case with other true wireless earbuds. But if you can accept the sensitive touch panels, you'll enjoy stable Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and support for two high-quality Bluetooth codecs, the Samsung Scalable Codec and AAC. The company is dogged about releasing firmware updates that cover connection improvements. One of the best reasons to get the Galaxy Buds 2 is because of how liberal Samsung is with its update. The first-gen Galaxy Buds received an update that enabled direct Spotify access, and we expect to see this same support throughout the Buds 2 lifecycle. If you're looking for a truly great pair of wireless earbuds, your search is over with the JBRA Elite 7 Active. While this set of earphones only supports SBC and AAC, you can change the sound profile within the companion Apps EQ module. JBRA's earphones have an IP57 rating, making them unusually durable relative to most other earbuds. The Beats Fit Pro is one of the best workout earbuds you can find. The Concha wingtips create a secure fit that's nearly impossible to shake loose. While the case doesn't have an IP rating like some of the other company flagships, you do get a nice IPX4 rating for the earphones, protecting them from splashes and sweat. We also like that the Beats Fit Pro works nearly as well on Android devices as it does on Apple devices, and all for less than $200 USD.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.